Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you if it's possible to charge your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with other devices. So as you can see, the phone is charging by magic, and because we don't have any cable connected, there are only two phones laying on each other, and this is possible because I have a normal Samsung S25 right here, and it is possible by these wireless power sharing option. To enable it on your other Samsung, you just have to go to settings, and the same goes for this phone. You can charge, for example, this phone with this one. It goes both ways, and you can also charge your iPhone, for example, with this function. So to enable it, you just have to go to battery right here and wireless power sharing, and just enable it, and this will work like I showed in the beginning of the video. It is also possible to use a wireless charger, so just plug it in, and as you can see, it works exactly the same. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.